Hi, I'm Dane Muldoon, a sales engineer at Supply Partners, Australia's leading distributor of energy storage and solar products. What's this? Today I'm at Sungrow's head office in Hefei, China, and this is their museum and showcase. Let's take a look around. So here's the main entrance to the museum and showroom, and starting off on the right hand side we have a whole series of photos and memories and plaques. Here's the president again. We saw that in the museum and showroom for the energy storage products. Now a couple of familiar faces. This is the SH5K-20 and the matching lithium battery. Obviously they're making a strong reference there to their global partner Samsung SDI, and here are some of their new commercial inverters. We're going to see these in the Australian market in the second half of 2019. The solar crystal inverters, some more of their smaller commercial inverters, such as the 30 and 50 kilowatts, and spinning around there is a huge presentation for the iSolar Cloud, which is their online monitoring system. One of the projects that they're highlighting here is their new factory, which is a 30 gigawatt per annum factory that was brought online in 2019. And this shows the number of inverters that they have installed, and then all the PV arrays across the roofs. On this side, we have two of their central inverters. So the one on the left here is a 1.25 megawatt central inverter, and that enclosure is designed to go inside, for example, inside of a container. Here we have actually the same product, the 1.25 megawatt central inverter, but this enclosure, as you can see, has been designed for external installation. It has built-in cooling, etc. Now, just around the corner, we missed this on the first pass, we have some of their supporting central inverter products, such as combiner boxes. Over here, we have a presentation of their wind products. First of all, on the right, these are AC to DC converters, effectively rectifiers. And this is the first of the two-stage conversion required for wind systems. And then here is the DC to AC inverter. Again, highlighting the high quality components you can see in here. Great big ABB air circuit breaker in there. As we've seen, they have a strong relationship with Samsung SDI globally, and here are two racks of rack-mounted lithium batteries from Samsung with their matching 500 kilowatt battery inverter. Now, these are products we're probably familiar with, or at least expect that a company like Sungrow is producing. Inverters for solar, inverters for wind, inverters for batteries. But let me share with you some new products that they have been introducing over the last couple of years. So they have an entire division that does floating solar arrays. And this product has been deployed now to the tune of 450 megawatts worldwide. Here are a series of projects, including the one at the top left, which is 150 megawatts by itself. That one uses the central inverters on floating pontoons. And another new area for Sungrow, which they are only deploying in their local Chinese market so far, are converters for electric vehicles. So these sit between the batteries and the motors, and they've got a variety of models. These are primarily for cars, and then bigger ones for buses, coaches, etc. One of the things I get asked about is certificates and compliance for different manufacturers. I can see here that Sungrow is proudly displaying all their certificates, of which they have a lot. And then finally, some of the awards that they've won over time. So that's it for the museum and showroom tour for Sungrow at their head office in Hefei, China. Join me again next time.